Welcome to Decor Studio. Get ready to transform your home into a spring wonderland with our 15 pink and gold Easter DIY decor ideas. From gilded egg centerpieces to sparkling bunny garlands, these budget-friendly, handmade projects bring festive charm to every room. Perfect for Easter brunches or cozy family gatherings, each concept blends the softness of pink with the elegance of gold, creating a whimsical, luxurious vibe. Whether you're a DIY novice or pro, these ideas will inspire you to craft a joyful, spring-inspired home. Let's dive in and celebrate Easter in style. Idea number 1. Gilded Egg Centerpiece. Transform your dining table with a stunning DIY centerpiece. Picture a rustic wooden tray filled with faux pink eggs, each delicately hand-painted with gold leaf accents. Nestled among them are soft pink roses and sprigs of eucalyptus, their green leaves contrasting the metallic sheen. Gold-tinted glass votives flicker, casting a warm glow across the table. The setup feels elegant yet approachable, blending spring's softness with luxurious touches. This charming decor piece creates a festive Easter vibe, perfect for brunches or family gatherings, infusing your dining room with a whimsical, golden springtime wonderland. Idea number 2. Pink Blossom Wreath. Adorn your front door with a DIY wreath bursting with spring charm. Imagine a grapevine base wrapped in pale pink satin ribbon, studded with clusters of faux cherry blossoms. Gold-painted twigs weave through, catching the sunlight. A delicate gold bough hangs at the center, adding a touch of opulence. The wreath feels fresh and inviting, its soft pinks evoking Easter's renewal and the gold lending a festive sparkle. This easy-to-craft piece transforms your entryway into a spring wonderland, welcoming guests with a cheerful, elegant nod to the season's joy. Idea number 3. Golden Bunny Silhouettes. Picture your living room wall adorned with DIY bunny silhouettes, crafted from pink cardstock and outlined in shimmering gold paint. Arranged in a playful cluster, they seem to hop across the wall, surrounded by tiny gold confetti dots. A nearby console table holds pink candles in gold holders, their flames reflecting off the metallic accents. The setup feels lively and festive, blending Easter's playful spirit with chic sophistication. This budget-friendly decor adds a touch of whimsy to any room, creating a cozy, spring-inspired ambience perfect for holiday celebrations. Idea number 4. Pastel Pom-Pom Garland. Envision a DIY garland draped across your mantel, made of fluffy pink and white pom-poms interspersed with gold beads. The soft texture contrasts beautifully with the beads' metallic gleam. Below, a row of pink mason jars holds sprigs of baby's breath, tied with gold ribbon. The scene feels airy and festive, with the garland's gentle sway adding movement. This charming setup transforms your fireplace into a spring focal point, evoking Easter's lightness and joy. Easy to craft, it brings a handmade, heartwarming touch to your living space, perfect for cozy holiday gatherings. Idea number 5. Glittering Egg Mobile. Imagine a delicate DIY mobile hanging in your breakfast nook, crafted from pink plastic eggs dusted with gold glitter. Suspended from a gold-painted embroidery hoop, they twirl gently, catching the morning light. Pink satin ribbons dangle between, adding softness. A small table below holds a gold vase with pink tulips. The setup feels magical and airy, blending Easter's playfulness with elegant sparkle. This eye-catching decor piece elevates a small space, creating a spring wonderland vibe that's perfect for morning coffee or festive brunches, adding charm to every moment. Idea number 6. Pink Feather Chandelier. Picture your dining room transformed with a DIY chandelier made from a wire frame wrapped in pink feathers. Gold fairy lights weave through, casting a soft, warm glow. Hanging from the center are gold-painted wooden eggs swaying gently. The table below features a pink runner with gold napkin rings. The setup feels luxurious and whimsical, blending Easter's softness with opulent shine. This statement piece creates a spring wonderland ambience, perfect for elegant holiday dinners, turning your dining space into a festive, inviting haven that sparkles with seasonal charm. Idea number 7. Golden Carrot Vases. Envision a DIY display on your kitchen counter. Small glass vases shaped like carrots, painted with gold rims and filled with pink ranunculus. Scattered around are tiny pink ceramic bunnies, their ears tipped with gold. A woven pink placemat anchors the scene, adding warmth. The setup feels playful yet refined, with the carrots nodding to Easter's fun and the gold adding elegance. This charming decor transforms a small kitchen space into a springtime delight, perfect for everyday cheer or festive gatherings, blending practicality with holiday whimsy. Idea number 8. Shimmering Table Runner. Picture a DIY table runner for your Easter brunch, crafted from pink burlap edged with gold sequins. Scattered across are gold-painted pine cones and pink rose petals, creating a textured, festive look. Gold candlesticks hold pink taper candles, their flames flickering softly. The setup feels warm and celebratory, blending rustic charm with glamorous accents. This easy-to-make runner transforms your dining table into a spring wonderland, perfect for hosting family or friends, adding a handmade, heartfelt touch that elevates the holiday spirit in any room. Idea number 9. Floral Egg Lanterns. Imagine DIY lanterns lighting up your porch, made from hollowed-out eggshells painted pale pink. Each holds a tiny LED light, surrounded by pressed pink flowers and gold foil accents. Hung from a wooden pergola with gold ribbons, they sway gently, casting a soft glow. A nearby table displays pink cushions with gold tassels. The scene feels enchanting and delicate, blending Easter's whimsy with spring's romance. These lanterns create a magical outdoor ambience, perfect for evening gatherings, transforming your porch into a glowing spring wonderland. Idea number 10. Pink Basket Wall Art. Picture a DIY wall arrangement in your hallway, featuring small woven pink baskets, each adorned with a gold-painted wooden egg at its center. The baskets are hung in a grid, interspersed with sprigs of faux pink peonies. A gold-framed mirror below reflects the soft colors, adding depth. The setup feels cozy and artistic, blending Easter's charm with modern flair. This budget-friendly decor transforms a narrow space into a springtime focal point, creating a welcoming, festive vibe that's perfect for small homes or apartments craving seasonal elegance. Idea number 11. Golden Nest Place Cards. Envision a DIY place card setup for your Easter table, featuring tiny nests made of pink raffia. Each nest cradles a gold-painted quail egg, with a small card tied in gold twine displaying a guest's name. Scattered pink petals add softness, and gold-rimmed plates elevate the look. The setup feels intimate and thoughtful, blending Easter's warmth with sophisticated sparkle. These charming place cards create a personalized, festive touch, perfect for family dinners, transforming your table into a spring wonderland that delights guests with its delicate, handmade beauty. Idea number 12. Sparkling Bunny Garland. Picture a DIY garland strung across your staircase, crafted from pink felt bunnies, each dusted with gold glitter. Gold beads and pink ribbon loops connect them, adding festive flair. Below, a console table holds pink vases with gold-dipped feathers. The setup feels playful and elegant, with the bunnies' sparkle catching the light. This easy-to-make garland transforms your staircase into a springtime statement, perfect for Easter celebrations. It brings a whimsical, handmade charm to your home, creating a joyful ambience that welcomes the season's renewal in style. Idea number 13. Pink Petal Curtain. Imagine a DIY curtain for your patio door, made of cascading pink fabric petals strung on gold threads. Each petal is edged with gold glitter, catching the breeze. A nearby table holds pink lanterns with gold handles glowing softly. The setup feels romantic and festive, blending Easter's softness with a touch of glamour. This breezy decor transforms your patio entrance into a spring wonderland, perfect for outdoor brunches or evening relaxation, creating an inviting, ethereal ambience that celebrates the season's beauty with delicate, handmade charm. Idea number 14. Golden Egg Terrarium. Picture a DIY terrarium on your coffee table, housed in a glass orb. Inside, pink moss forms a soft bed for gold-painted mini eggs, surrounded by tiny pink succulents. A gold chain drapes around the orb, adding elegance. The table holds pink coasters with gold inlays. The setup feels modern and delicate, blending Easter's whimsy with chic sophistication. This compact decor piece transforms a small space into a spring focal point, perfect for living rooms, creating a refined, festive vibe that sparkles with seasonal charm. Idea number 15. Pink Ribbon Chandelier. Envision a DIY chandelier above your entryway, made from a hoop wrapped in pink ribbon. Hanging from it are gold-painted wooden bunnies and pink paper flowers swaying gently. Gold fairy lights twinkle within, casting a warm glow. A nearby table holds a pink vase with gold-tipped branches. The setup feels festive and welcoming, blending Easter's joy with elegant sparkle. This statement piece transforms your entryway into a spring wonderland, perfect for greeting guests with a handmade, heartwarming touch that celebrates the season in style. That's all the ideas for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ideas like this.